is Franzi and I'm from Germany. I'm a volunteer and I'm staying here in Ghana for 1 year. As a member of IGI, I want to show you our programs for the following year. They refer to community development, education and health. First and foremost, to develop communities, we want to create, for example, toilet facilities and water boreholes. Secondly, to improve on our educational system, we want to build and renovate basic schools and supply of educational materials to deprived communities. And last but not least, we want to emphasize the importance of health, of our general health. We want to emphasize the importance of personal hygiene. We want to clarify people about malaria and other diseases. And our inspiring message for you is, please, don't regret the things you've done. Only regret the things you didn't do when you had